expert at overthinking things that I shouldn't. You come across as a cool guy, someone is the opposite. And all my friends are leaving, but I wanna stay here. Can we just stay here?
Hey y'all, so in today's video I have some weekend cleaning motivation. I'm basically just going to be resetting for the new week. So this day is a Friday. I'm starting on a Friday. Every Thursday or Friday, whenever my husband gets paid, we do order groceries and we spend about $200 and something. That's with the food, cleaning products, and the delivery tip and everything. And then this day I also did a little bit of laundry and cleaning, and I just carried it all the way until Sunday. Let's get straight into today's video. So this is the first time I've bought Purex laundry detergent. I usually get Arm & Hammer or Gain, and I just basically been trying to find different ways to spend less to help my husband out since I am a stay-at-home mom. And even though it's only a few dollars less, for the amount that you get with the Purex for the price, I just feel like it's better. And overall, the Purex smells really good and it does a good job washing the clothes.
Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of?
Okay, y'all, so I was just about to put the kids' clothes in the washer and then my package came. So I was telling y'all that Jaden did just start kindergarten and he's been getting sick and he's been getting mama sick, and right now he actually has an ear infection. One of y'all suggested that I get them elderberry, and then, you know, I looked it up and a lot of parents are saying that it helped their kids to stop getting sick or fight off the sickness faster. But I will let y'all know if this has helped with, you know, Jaden fighting off the germs and stuff from school. And then I got this cold brew coffee maker. I was gonna get a coffee machine, but I was like, to save myself like $60, I'm just gonna get this. Plus, I really like iced coffee anyway. I'm gonna make this and then I'm gonna go wash the kids' clothes.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews, I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, you applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper, You with a big stepper who chasing a cheddar, All of these women, they not on your level, You like a mix of business and pleasure,
The kids wanted to paint, so I was like, all right, let me set this up so that way I can go in y'all room and clean up in peace, which actually didn't last that long because they ended up arguing. So anyway, I'm taking their sheets off so I can wash them, and I also did make sure to grab their stuffed animals so I can wash those too, since they was getting over a sickness. I wanted to make sure everything was clean.
I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low. Unlearning all that was wrong for me. And I wish somebody would've should've warned it. No, they did, but I kept ignoring. Didn't wanna have to face it, but if I don't know it's gonna break me, oh. Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. It's like sitting in a boat, wondering if it is going to float. Now that I've packed all my things, is there anything else I should bring?
All right, so to make a long story short, our dryer ended up breaking, and yeah, so I was able to get most of our laundry done in this video. And then when it came down to washing me and my husband's clothes, I washed his clothes and I put them in the dryer, and the dryer just was not drying the clothes at all. So we ended up having to hang my husband's clothes to dry, and I ended up just washing a few of my clothes and drying, like hanging them and drying them too. So anyway, I don't know when we're gonna get a new dryer for financial reasons, but my husband said he's gonna be working on it. So I have faith that God is gonna work everything out.
Blue sky come bearing up before us. We hang on the hem of your gown. Blue sky come, promise not to leave us. Tarry not to our town. There's a darkness in the valley, heavy branches crack and split. If we holler, will you hurry? Can you hear us through the wind? Blue sky calm, dancing in between us. Take us up, lay us down. Blue sky calm, promise not to leave us. Tarry not to our town. There's a violence under our feet, running stitches through our homes. Bring a lantern, bring it quickly. Joy's not to be a crone. Blue sky come, hearken to our chorus. Tie us to your golden crown. Blue sky come, promise not to leave us. Tarry not to our town. Tarry not to our town. Tarry not to our town. Tarry not.
So I did have somebody ask me one time, like, why don't I pour the bleach in the little dispenser thing instead of just pouring it, you know, in the water. And I really don't know. I think it's just because I like to know that it's in there. If that makes sense. Because one time when we first got the washer, I did pour it in there and I just felt like I couldn't smell the bleach when I got the clothes out. It just almost seemed like the bleach didn't even go in there. I don't know. So I was just like, I like to just see the bleach going and just know that it's directly in the water.
Tell me, where are you now? Are you walking in your sleep? 'Cause this is like a dream, and you're standing next to me. But it's too dark, too dark, too dark. I can barely see your face. It's too dark, too dark. This is too hard. Still I know you're next to me. Na, 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 na.
So if you're into night routines, I did film a night routine, like, you know, just me and the kids routine. And after this video, I'm going to edit that one. And if it comes out good, y'all should be seeing that soon, just to switch things up here and there. If y'all been looking for a portable dishwasher, I will link this one down below in my Amazon storefront. It just works really good. Like, I love this dishwasher, and it doesn't hold a lot, but to be able to put, you know, half of the dishes in there, and then I probably only have to wash a few, which is most likely, you know, a pan or a pot or whatever, I feel like it's a win. And then too, it helps a lot with cleaning like the little things that I don't like to clean, which is like the kids' cups and straws and stuff. So yeah, I will leave it linked in my Amazon storefront.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes.
So I did get these little pumpkin tiles from Ross. There was only a few dollars, and I just put one on the oven door. And it's not much, but little stuff like this, it does make me feel good, because although this house does have, you know, a lot of flaws, for me, it's just me showing appreciation for the space that we have. Even though we rent here, and I know that this is not going to be like our last home, I do want to make it feel just really like, just regardless of anything, I just want to make it feel like a home for me and my husband and my kids. So hopefully I said that right. Hopefully y'all get what I'm trying to say. Yeah, just trying to learn how to like not compare your home to other people's homes, and just appreciating the space that you're in. Okay, y'all, so now it's time to wash my daughter's hair for the new week. So I used to shampoo and condition her hair, and then I realized that her scalp was getting really flaky and dry fast. So then I switched to only co-washing, which is just using conditioner only, and I see a big difference in her scalp. So I'm using the Mane and Tail conditioner, which is really good, and then sometimes I would switch to the black castor oil conditioner that I got from Ross. And then another thing is too, usually y'all, I will style her hair while it's wet, but styling her hair while it's wet has been hard for me because it's like I have to try to detangle it and then it starts getting dry, and it's just, you know. So I did blow dry her hair this time, and I had to cut a lot out because she was crying a lot. I think it was more so like just the sound of the blow dry that she didn't like. But anyway, y'all, once we got that done, styling her hair was easier for me because it was all nice and detangled. But I ended up just doing 2 braids in the front and 2 puff balls, just so things would be easy for me and her, and it's a lot less tension on her scalp. And then while I was doing her hair, my husband was cutting our son's hair so he could be ready for school too. But I hope that this video was motivating for y'all. If y'all haven't already, please give this video a like, comment down below anything, and I will see y'all in my next one.
'Cause this is life.